It is a gorgeous spring day here at Kingston Plantation. I'm at 20D West Hyde Park. This is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom villa. Sits right on the Finger Lake here at Kingston. Put folks out enjoying the spring day right there, and you got the turtles out sunning themselves, which is lovely, of course. There's just nice oak trees. Of course, the oak trees here at the live oaks, they stay green 12 months. Oops, sorry, went the wrong way on that one. They stay green 12 months a year. So that's phenomenal. You're a hop, skip, and a jump to the ocean, to the pool. Now, the key to this one, you're going to see that this is quite original inside. It is original. It is more something that someone's going to come in and redo. Plain and simple. What you're going to be buying here is the floor plan. You're going to be buying this location, this view. You're going to be buying the proximity to the ocean front. And you're going to be buying it because of price. Because the price is excellent. It is priced to reflect the current condition, which is original. I mean, understand, it is clean and neat. There's nothing wrong with it. Somebody could move in today if they wanted to, but as you can see, it's just dated. It is just circa 1988, but that's the reason it's priced the way it is. Someone's going to come in and redo this all. So here we just come in from the balcony, and you'll see that the floor plan is a split bedroom floor plan. Master bedroom here to our right. As we come across here to the dining room, large guest bedroom on this side, past the kitchen and down towards the entry foyer, another bedroom. So they're kind of in a pyramid shape, triangular shape, and you get nice privacy between the 3 bedrooms. Kitchen is good size, of course. Let me bring you down this way to bring it into the kitchen. Again, it's in great shape. It's immaculate. Nice natural light coming in. I mean, really, the natural light that you get coming into these is terrific. Back here to the front entrance. Guest bedroom. King-size bed here now. You could fit twin beds. Of course, you've got this little space in between the storage areas here. That, as you can see, a 3rd bed, a window seat, whatever you'd like to have there, of course. And as you're coming in here, you've got entry into this guest bathroom from this bedroom or from the hallway, depending if you're having dinner guests or overnight guests. Back out towards the front entrance, kitchen to our left. Guest bedroom. This is a sizable guest bedroom here. Queen bed right in front of us. They've got another queen bed here under the window. It's actually best to put it on this wall where you see the TV, and it really works out so much better than under the window. And then that TV or chest of drawers or whatever could fit right behind the door here. It works out very, very nicely that way. And this, of course, has its own bathroom, all attached. Back here, we do have storage, and you've got a large storage area right behind that goes all the way back behind the bathroom here. It's not temperature controlled, but it's dry. It's easy to get in and out of, and certainly there to store away the things that you use once or twice a year. So 20D West Hyde Park, great value for someone who wants to come in and wants to redo something. I mean, it is priced accordingly, and it sits right on the lake, short proximity to the pool, to the ocean front, and just a beautifully quiet area. Give us a call.